How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and tumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. Dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencer. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to do the voiceover. You don't have even to write the script. So a lot of influencers earn money using or earn millions of dollars. So in this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to make money with it. So this is an example of AI influencer, and this is an example too on Instagram. As you can see, over 300K of followers, and it's powered by AI. It's an AI influencer. That I mean, it doesn't exist, and it's followed by people, real people. So as you can see, we have a lot of likes, comments. So you can, as I said, earn money by creating yours. But how? So this is what is your video, this video about. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencers is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have actually to create it because we have here hygiene.com. As you can see, it's a AI based tool that can be or that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and then type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started, so you can click which one you want and then you can sign up by entering your email and the verification code. Then you answer for a few questions and you will sign up. As you can see here, we have a lot of options that you can read to get started. So here we have, for example, features. You can check out AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video, streaming avatars, zip here. Here we have resources if you want to more learn or understand blogs, creative fund, affiliate program, ambassador program, weekly webinar, case studies, help center. So there's a lot of things that you can read about and get more information about it. So if you scroll down over here, you'll find an AI character explaining something. The same things here, as you can see here, we have a lot of videos. So this product marketing, here we have learning development. So there's a lot of topic here that you can use. It's depend on your content. Here we have AI avatars. As you can see, a lot of AI character that you can choose one of them and then you can start with. So if you sign up, it will lead you to this home page. So this is the home page. This is my recent creations, and if we scroll down over here, you'll find Haitian Learning Guide. So this is a lot of information about. So here we have AI Studio, a lot of informations about it, and video avatar. So you can get more information in this guide if you didn't understand how AI Studio works or how video avatar works. The same thing for AI voice. So for the video translation. If we scroll down over here, you'll find templates. As you can see, here we have a various one with different topics with the various or different AI character. So as you can see, this AI character explain the template, so you can use it to make your template more professional. Here we have the avatars if you want to create your video. So let's go to video avatar to show you how to create a video on YouTube using this AI character. So this is a lot of AI avatars that you can choose one and get started. For example, this one, as you can see, it's Wilson and t-shirt. This is the name of this AI character, so you can just click over here if you wanna edit avatar and if you wanna get avatar ID, or you can create video and starting with landscape if you want to start on YouTube. So as you can see, this is our AI character. You can put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. You can also zoom it, and here we have the animation if you want to add an effect on enter, effect on leave, or if you wanna edit your script, so you can delete that one and then you will edit your script. Here we have, if you want to edit scripts, another one, and this for if you want to pause section 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more, so you can choose the one you want. It's depend on how you want your script. Here we have, if you want to add a recording, you can just click over here and start recording, and then upload audio. And here we have GPT script writer, so this GPT script writer will help you to create a script, so we can just click over here and then it will send you. And here we have the translation, if you want to translate your script. So this is a lot of options that you can help you to make your script more professional. And for the voice, you can choose the voice you want. Here we have a lot of types of voices: natural one, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. So it's depend on your content, as I mentioned. And here we have the languages, so you can select the language you want. So you can choose the language here: Arabic or Bangla or Chinese. And the same thing for the gender, so you can choose female or male. And here we have the age, if you want to choose the child voice or youth voice or middle age voice, older voice. And the function too, so you can adjust it. It depends on how you want your voice. So you're gonna choose your options, so you can edit your video. It's depend on how you want it. And then after editing your video, you can click on submit, and then you will start publishing your videos on your YouTube channel. So you can there's a lot of ways you can start with. So for example, you can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links. So this is the Impact.com, and you can sign up, then you will promote product by choosing a brand, and then you will earn commissions. So all by using this AI character or AI influencer. Or you can create a video guide like this one. Using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. That could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you'll start scripting, so you can choose yours and make sure just the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI characters. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.